All right, this week we've been talking about our 10 frames, and yesterday we talked about 10 frames only up to 10 and we matched them. Today with our new Subitize 20 frames, we're looking at 10 frames more than 10. So this is going to have like all of these numbers. So it says 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's going to have 10 frames that are for those numbers. Before we start with this paper though, I want you guys to help me count to 20. Are you ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, everyone. Okay, now we're going to count backwards from 20. That way we can make sure we really know our numbers good and we can start at any place in our number line. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, what you're going to need for today's activity is your piece of paper that I had you all get out, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. So please make sure you have all of those things out. Glue, your scissors, and the paper. That's it. Okay. To start this, I'm going to go ahead and just cut out my number blocks, okay? That's all I want you to do right now is cut out your number blocks. And only cut around the dotted line. Okay. I'm going to put this back up there now that I have my number blocks separated from the rest of the paper. You see how I have my strip here now? I'm just going to cut out each block. Please make sure you're keeping your video off. Alright, now that I have them all cut out, see I have them all in different little blocks here. I'm going to start gluing them to my paper. And we're supposed to match these numbers. So see how it says 20? I'm going to match it to whichever one of my 10 frames here equals to 20. Whichever one of my 10 frames is 20. Okay? So who remembers what a full 10 frame equals? What does a full 10 frame mean? Good job. Yep, Nicholas, it means 10. So if I have one block of 10, that equals 10 because I only have one. Okay, so let's start. We always read math from left to right, top to bottom, right? So I'm going to start right here in the top left corner. I'm going to see, oh, scoop up 10. I see I have a full 10 frame right there. So I'm going to scoop it up and keep counting. 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to put the number 13 in this box right here. Put some glue on my paper. I'm going to put 13 right there so I have it right next to it. All right, now we're going to move to this one. So find that one on your paper and use the raise your hand button if you know how many is in that 10 frame. Cruise. Oh, is there 10? So I do have one full 10 frame right there, but it looks like I have a few ones right there. So I'll scoop up my 10 and keep counting. So scoop 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this one has my full 10 frame. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 filled in on my second 10 frame. So I'm going to find the number 15. So I found my number 15. I'm going to put glue on the back. And I'm going to put it right next to that 10 frame so that I know that that one is 15. All right. So it looks like I have one full 10 frame right here and another full 10 frame. Who can tell me what it means when I have two full 10 frames? Petra. So if I have two full 10 frames, it means I have two 10s. What does that equal to? Good job. It makes 20. And the way I know that is I can see that I have one full 10 frame and I know that equals 10. So I'm going to scoop that up really quick and keep counting. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or I can see that there's two 10s and no ones. So in my tens place, there would be a 2 and a 0, just like we do in calendar every morning. Does anyone have any questions on that? Thank you, Petra, for your help. I'm going to glue my number 20 right in that box. All right. Go to the next one. I'm going to scoop up my 10 because, see, in all of these, they already have one full 10 frame because we're past 10 in our number line. So it's a number greater than 10. So I'm going to go 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to find my 12 box and put some glue on the back. Put it in the box right next to it. All right, we're going to move to this one right here. And remember, scoop up your first 10 because you know that the first full 10 frame is always 10. And then keep counting. Let's see, Nicholas, can you tell me how many is all right here? Good job. Yep, there's 19 right here. And the way we can count that super fast is scoop up our 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What does the number 19 look like, Nicholas? What goes in my tens place? Good job. Just like this? Awesome. I'm going to put some glue on the back of that one. And I'm going to put it right next to the 10 frames. All right, we're going to move on to this one now. I want you to scoop up your 10 frame and keep counting. So let's see, who can help me with this one? Delaza. Can you tell me how many is in all of these 10 frames? This one right here? Good job. Yep, 16. We can scoop up our 10, go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job, Delaza. What does a 16 look like? Awesome. Like this? Perfect. I'm going to put some glue on the back of that one then. And put it right next to the 10 frames. All right. Again, you're going to see that it has a full 10 frame. You're going to scoop it up and keep counting from 10. So let's see. Petra, can you help me with this one? Yeah, if you would like to. Did you cut them out already? Okay, perfect. Then yes. Now's the perfect time to be doing it with me. Good question, Petra. All right, let's see. Who can help me? Eli, can you tell me how many is in this 10 frame block right here? Eli, are you there? Oh, let's count that again, buddy. So we have our full 10 frames, so I'm going to scoop up 10 and keep counting. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So do you see how there's two 10 frames? One's full and the other one has 8 in it. So that equals 18. Can you tell me what an 18 looks like, Eli? Good job. 1 and an 8. I'm going to put glue on that one. Put it right there. All right, now we're going to go to this one. Again, there's one full 10 frame, so I'm going to scoop up 10 and keep counting. Let's see, who can help me with that one? Mason, can you help me count this one? How many's in there? Can you tell me? Good job. Can you tell me what a 14 looks like? Like this? Perfect. Good job, Mason. Thank you. I'm going to put some glue on the back of that card now. And I'm going to put it right next to my 10 frames. We're going to go to this one now. And I have a full 10 frames, so I'm going to count. I'm going to scoop up 10 and keep counting from 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I'm going to find my 17 cube, and I'm going to put some glue on the back. I'm going to put it right there. All right, last one. I have one full 10 frame again, so I'm going to scoop up 10 and keep counting. Who can help me with this one? See, Paige. Can you help me with this one? Can you tell me how many's in there? Paige, are you there? Can you tell me how many's in there, Paige? Yep, so there's one extra. So if I have 10 and then I add one, how many is it? So let's count together, okay? I have one full 10 frame, so I'm going to scoop up 10, go 10. What comes after 10? Good job. So that one has 11. Thank you, Paige. I'm going to put my 11 cube right there. All right, now that I'm finished, I'm going to push my glue down all the way using the bottom, put the cap on tight, and I'm going to take my paper, and it says in the directions that I need to cut around all the dotted lines after I glue it together. So you see the dotted line around the 10 frames? I'm going to cut that part out. So then all I have is this left. And then I want you to put that back in your folder. That way it's ready to be turned in the next time that we have packet pickup.